Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel for all things metal roofing. I'm your host Audrey, and today we have a very special guest. We're here speaking with Gator Metal Roofing's contractor, Mr. Perez. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I am doing good. Mr. Perez, you've done roofing contracting with both shingles and metal.
Correct.
So you have both. You have the experience of both worlds. So Mr. Perez, we want to talk to you a little bit about what to look for when you're hiring a good roofing contractor.
When you hire someone to come take an estimate off of your roof and everything, it's always best to get 3 estimates. You always got to make sure that you hire the best person to do the job, that's going to do the right thing, you know, not cut no corners, and make sure that everything checks out great. Find out all the information that you need, how long it's going to take, what else they're going to need.
So it sounds like they should come with like a whole work order. Whenever they
Yes.
come to give you your roofing estimate, they need to have detailed and outline how long it's going to take, how much money it's going to cost, all the materials that they're going to need. You've been doing this for years, maybe even decades. Do you think that with the recent technology, people still actually need to get on top of the roof?
I honestly think that the best thing to do and being safe about it is that get up on the roof, because you don't know what's under the shingles or anything that might be damaged that you cannot see with a drone or from down below. You have to get up there to make sure that there is no wood damage, because 99% of the time you can't come back later on another day and tell the customer that, oh, we need to buy plywood, we need to buy this, because then the customer expecting that whatever estimate that you gave them in the beginning, that was it. So the best thing to do is to always get someone to get on your roof, and they'll be able to see any damage up there and be able to give a good professional estimate.
Right, that is so true. We absolutely love that, and that's definitely what you do. Here at Gator, we have a very strict process. We give free estimates, but during those estimates, we get on top of your roof and we do a 20-point inspection. That way, we have your entire work order done so that we can minimize any surprises.
Always have your contractor to be able to sit down with you, take some time and be able to show you some of his work, some of his reviews, his likes or not likes, what he did right, what he did wrong. And be able you to feel comfortable that what he's showing you is going to be done the right way.
The contractor needs to come in with proof of their work, reviews, testimonials. Always
make sure that the contractor that you hire is always got answers for you, because you always going to have questions, and there's nothing wrong on asking your contractor, why is he doing this? Or why is he doing that, you know, because he should always be calm and everything, be able to answer all your questions and tell you step by step why they got to do number 1, why number 2, and why they're going to do number 3. And be able to communicate with the homeowner at any time, or the homeowner to be able to communicate with the contractor and be able to clear any questions or any ideas that's out there. So
from what you're saying, Mr. Perez, one of the most vital signs that you've hired a good roofing contractor is communication. You should be able to communicate effectively with your contractor. You should be able to ask them questions at any time during the process and get the answers that you're looking for.
Yes, that's when you know that you hire a good contractor. Communication is a lot, means a lot. Without that, then you're in a blind spot. You don't know what's going on. You don't know if everything's done the right way. So always just double check or ask a question. Here
at Gator, we understand that your roof is one of your most expensive home improvement projects, and it's so vital to your home's protection. Your roof protects your home from the top down. And so any question that you have, we're here to answer. All right guys, so you've heard it from one of our top roofing contractors here at Gator. Some of the signs that you should look for when vetting a roofing contractor. Thank you so much, Mr. Perez.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.